Subscribe to us for more updates. Here's how to create a screen blending effect video. Clip 1. Film yourself tapping on a table as if you're ticking off a to-do list. Clip 2. Screen record ticking off a to-do list on your phone. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in the description. Import Clip 1 into the InShot app. Tap PIP. Import Clip 2 into the InShot app. Tap Blend. Select Multiply. Adjust the position. Tap Crop. Crop out what you don't need from the screen recording. Make sure the position of your hand matches the list. Tap Duplicate. Tap Switch. Shift the duplicate to match the video. Tap Cutout. Tap Cutout again. And here's the final results.